children, hello, welcome to your home school. This is your class 10 mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in a third chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. And this is your exercise 3.4, that is elimination method. And your first main, fourth problem. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. And x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. What is this main heading? We have done yesterday, right? Only one problem I left for you as a homework. So that problem we are going to do it now, and yourself check your homework. First, what we need to do? We need to simplify these into equations. 2 and 3 LCM is 6. Okay? 2 table, where you get 6? 2 3s. That 3 multiply 3x plus 3 table, where you get 6? 3 2s, right? That 2 multiply for the numerator. 2 2s, 4y is equal to minus 1. Okay, I'll simplify first equation, then I go with the second equation. Now this denominator 6 and other side it will be multiplied. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Mark this as the first equation. Okay, so next one. What is your next equation? X minus y by 3 is equal to 3. First, do the LCM. 1 and 3. What is LCM? 3 is the LCM, right? So, 1 table where you get 3, 1 3s, right? That 3 multiply for the numerator. 3 into x, 3x minus y. Already 3 there, so no need of multiplying anything for the numerator. Is equal to 3. This denominator send to this side. 3x minus y is equal to 3 3s, 9. Mark this as second equation. Now, what is your main heading? Solve the pair of two linear equations in substitution method and also elimination method. So now, let's start first with the substitution method. So, what are the equations we have? Substitution and elimination. Both we need to do. No, any one you can start first. Let me take the two equations. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6 and 3x minus y is equal to 9. So which equation you will simplify? Yes, I feel second equation is little smaller, right? So minus y send other side, y. Y is equal to 3x plus 9 send this side, 3x minus 9. Okay, mark this one, mark this 2. Substitute y value in first equation. Substitute y equal to 3x minus 9 in equation 1. Okay, what is your equation 1? 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. 3x plus 4 into y value, right? 3x minus 9 is equal to minus 6. Okay, so now remove from brackets. 3x plus 4 3s are 12x plus into minus 4 9s are 36 is equal to minus 6. Right? 3x plus 12x will be 15x. And minus 36 and other side plus 36 minus 6. 15x is equal to 36 minus 6 will be 30. And this 15 divide 30 by 15. 15 2s are 30. Therefore, x value is 2. Right? Is the problem completed? No. Yeah, x value. You need to substitute in any one of the equation and find another variable, that is y. So which equation will substitute? Let us substitute in equation 2. Substitute x is equal to 2 in equation 2. That is 3x minus y is equal to 9. X, please substitute 2. 3 into 2 minus y is equal to 9. Minus y send other side. 3 2s are 6. 9 bring this side. That will be y is equal to 6 minus 9. That is minus 3 is your answer. So finally what you can write here, children? Therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. If you want, you can check whether your answer is right or wrong. This xy value, let us substitute in this equation and we are going to verify. X value is 2, children. Minus of minus 3. So minus into minus, plus it became now. 2 plus 3 by 3, it will be cancelled, 1 will be left. 2 plus 1 will be how much? 3. Okay, this 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and this 3 is equal to 3. Both are equal. Therefore, what we got answer is right. Right, let's start with the elimination method now. Elimination method. What we learned in this exercise. How can we do? Take the two equations again. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. And another equation is 3x minus y is equal to 9. So look here, children, carefully. Which variable you need to eliminate here? Yes, 3x. No need of multiplying anything. I can directly eliminate the equation, that is subtract 1 and 2. You may rewrite this equations and say 1 minus 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. So now I am doing here directly, children. Subtracting, your sign will be changed. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. And this plus will be minus. 3x minus 3x will be cancelled. 4y plus y will be how much? 5y. Minus 6 minus 9. It will be minus 15. Y is equal to minus 15 by 5. That is 5 3s are. Therefore, y is equal to minus 3. Is this the same answer we got in substitution method? Yes, no? Now let's find x value. This y value. Substitute y is equal to minus 3 in equation 2. 3x minus y is equal to 9. In the place of y, write minus 3. 3x minus, when you are writing one more minus, do take here brackets. Minus into minus plus. 3x plus 3 is equal to 9. Plus 3, send this sign. 3x is equal to 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 will be 6. Okay, this multiple, bring this side, it will be divided. X is equal to 6 by 3. That is 3 2s are 6. X is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3 are the two variables. In two methods, we are going to get the same answer. Look here. This is your second main and this is your first problem. What is the main heading? Form the pair of linear equations in two variables. Two equations you are going to get. If they have a solution, find the solution by elimination method is your problem, right? So let's see the first question in it. If we add 1, if we add 1 means, immediately what do you remember? Adding means plus symbol. 1, adding 1 plus 1. To the numerator and subtract 1. Hold on, what is this? Numerator. Numerator means, are we discussing any fraction? Yes. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract means minus 1 from the denominator. A fraction reduces to 1. Okay. Finally, we are discussing about a fraction. So in our solution, let's start with let the fraction be. Let us assume any fraction. Let me assume x by y. Now read once again. If we add 1 to the numerator, this is numerator and this is denominator, right? Add 1 to the numerator. Add 1 to the numerator. And subtract 1 from the denominator. Are you all following here? Add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. If fraction reduces to 1, what happens? This fraction will be reduced to 1 means equal to 1. Okay, now send this that side, cross multiply and then get the equation. Let's see here. Send the denominator other side, it will be multiplied. X plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. Bring this y this side, x minus y. Bring this 1 this side, minus 1 minus 1. X minus y is equal to minus 2. Mark it as first equation. Okay, let me read once again this one, then I go with the second one. Okay, if 1 is added to the numerator and 1 is subtracted from the denominator, it reduces to 1. Okay, simplify this, you are going to get an equation. Now, what is your second line continuation there? It becomes, which becomes? X by y. We are talking about a fraction there. It becomes 1 by 2. So, given, these are all given data. Given, what they have given? X by y becomes 1 by 2 it seems. If we only add 1 to the denominator. Okay, not only fraction, something given. What is that? If we add 1 to the denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. Now again, same manner, we are going to cross multiply. We are going to get the equation. 2 into x, 2x. Y plus 1 into 1, y plus 1. Y bring this side. 2x minus y is equal to 1. These are the two equations. Getting these two equations is difficult when you have a verbal problem. After getting equations, it's very simple. Let's rewrite the equations here. X minus y is equal to minus 2. 2x minus y is equal to 1. So this is first equation and this is your second equation. What is your main heading? If they have a solution, find the solution by using elimination method. So do they have a solution? How can we check? Do you remember? A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2 comparison. Let's see. 1 by 2. Minus 1 by minus 1, it will be 1. 1 by 2 is not equal to 1. So what happened here? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, it will be having a unique solution. That means one solution. So which method they asked us to do? Elimination method. So, y, same there, right? Signs also same. If signs are same, we need to subtract the two equations. Now, subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Equation 2, subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Which one you'll write first? Equation 1. Don't be confused. Anyway, you can subtract. 2x minus y is equal to 1. When we are subtracting, signs will be changed. So, x minus 2x will be minus x. Minus y plus y cancel. one variable is eliminated. Now is equal to minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus minus cancels. X is equal to 3. Okay, another variable. This x value substitute in any one of the equation. Substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 1. That is x minus y is equal to minus 2. X value is 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. Minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 3. Minus y is equal to minus 5. Minus minus cancel. Therefore, y is equal to 5. Finally, therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. Okay, what is the two variable solution here? X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. Suppose if you got any doubt whether what I have done is right or wrong, how can you check? Substitute this in any of the equation. So x value is 3, y value is 5, right? 3 minus 5 minus 2. Yes, correct now? Do you feel our answer is completed? No, still there. What is there? Find the fraction. What is your question here? What is the fraction? Therefore, fraction is equal to x by y, that is equal to 3 by 5. Now with this, we end this problem. Okay, understand the verbal problems very carefully. Second problem, 5 years ago. 5 years ago means 5 years back. Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Who are the two persons we are talking in this problem? Nuri and Sonu. Right? Let's read the statement again. 5 years ago. 5 years ago means first we should talk about the present age. Let us assume, let the present age of Nuri be x years and the present age of Sonu be y in years. Okay, first we should know the present age, then we go back or front. Right? Let the present age of Nuri be x years. Let the present age of Sonu be y years. Now, 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 5 years ago, what is Nuri's age? 5 years ago, Nuri's age means present x. Before 5 years, x minus 5. Right? Now, 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice. Thrice, twice you should know. Thrice, 3 times. Thrice as old as Sonu. 5 years ago, both the value will be changing. Whereas Nuri will be x minus 5 and Sonu will be y minus 5. So 5 years ago, Nuri is thrice the age of Sonu, y minus 5. That's all. Okay, simplify this. X minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. Bring this 3y this side. X minus 3y is equal to minus 5 if it goes to the side, plus 5. 5 minus 15. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. First equation. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10, first equation. So only half of the problem I have read. Next half. 10 years later. 10 years means from now 10 years. Means you will add or subtract. You are going to add, right? So now 10 years later, we are talking now this problem. 10 years later, Nuri will be, what is the present age of Nuri? X. 10 years means x plus 10. Nuri's age will be, what is that? Twice. Twice means 2 times, right? Twice as old as Sonu. What is Sonu's age after 10 years? Y plus 10. How old are Nuri and Sonu is your question. So let's simplify this one. X plus 10 is equal to 2 into y, 2y plus 2 into 10, 20. Bring this 2y this side. X minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10. X minus 2y is equal to 10. Mark this as second equation. Right? These are the two equations. Now observe these two equations, whether they will be having a solution or not having a solution. So look here, A1, A2, 1 by 1, 1. B1 by B2, minus 3 by minus 2, not equal. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Then the lines will be intersecting and they will be having a unique solution. So what is our main heading? If they have a solution, solve these two equations by elimination method. Okay, let's take the two equations again. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. And one more. X minus 2y is equal to 10. These are the two equations. Now observe carefully which variable you can eliminate. Yes, x, both x is same, right? This is 3y, 2y. When you want to eliminate for this equation, 3 you need to multiply. And for this equation, we need to multiply 2. So don't take risk of going with y. Just directly go with x. Now in x, I can see both are having same sign. You are going to add or subtract? Subtract. Now, subtract. See how I am writing here? 1 minus 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2 means directly you can write. But before problem I have said, subtract equation 2 from equation 1. From equation 1 means first you need to write one equation, then subtract the second equation. Same way I am interchanging the equation now. Just directly I say subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. Or equation 1 minus equation 2 also you can write. Subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. That is x minus 3y minus 10. X minus 2y is equal to 10. When you are subtracting, your sign will be changed. Right? Keep a negative sign and multiply, or whatever sign you have, opposite sign you can write while you are subtracting. X minus x will be cancelled. Minus 3y plus 2y will be minus y. Minus 10 minus 10. Minus 20. This minus minus will be cancelled. Y is equal to 20. Is that answer completed? No, this y value, substitute in any one of the equation and find the x value. On substituting y is equal to 20 in equation 1. What is your equation 1? Due to less space, I have written here, children. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. X minus y value substitute here. 20 is equal to minus 10. X, 3 into 20 it will be 60. X minus 60 is equal to minus 10. Minus 60 send other side, plus 60. 60 minus 10. X is equal to 50. What did we get here? X value is 50 and y value is 20. Therefore, age of Nuri is equal to x, that is equal to 50 years, and the age of Sonu is equal to, or you can write directly y, that is equal to y how much? 20 years. What is the age of Nuri? 50 years. Age of Sonu, 20 years. With this, we are going to end our session today, children. We are going to continue our next 3 problems in our next session. Thank you all.